Back again with another music reaction, another music video. I'm actually in a great mood, full of energy, full of smiles, but I read the comments. I always read the comments, and I saw that Miss Katrina Velarde recently lost her husband, and just want to send my condolences. My heart goes out to her. She's in my prayers. Her and her child. While I'm on that topic, also want to send my condolences to young Dolph's family. He lost his life today, a couple hours ago, actually. For those of you guys who don't know, he's a rapper out of Memphis. Yeah, it's very sad. It's tragic, and mm, it's just sad, man. It's very sad, and it just makes you reflect on life. It makes you think about life. But anyway, don't really know how to transition into the actual reaction, so this is Katrina Velarde singing Through the Rain live. So with no further ado, let's get into the video. First off, you always know when somebody start harmonizing with the music before they start singing, you know it's about to be tough. You know they about to put their foot in that song. They about to show out. They about to show out. Think about it in your memory bank. Whenever you heard an artist, somebody singing at church, somebody singing on the street, when the music's playing and they're harmonizing with the music before they say a word, when has it not been fire? Exactly. You can't think of one time. It's always fire.
When you get caught in the rain,
I hate when that happens.
nowhere to run. When you destroy and in pain, without anyone. When you keep crying out to be safe, but nobody comes, and you feel so far away that you just can't find your way home. You can get there alone. It's okay.
It's okay.
What you say?
It's that falsettos. Like, just how do you do that? How? It's crazy how people are just blessed with different talents. Some people can jump 40 inches in the air. Some people can run very fast. And some people could just hit a falsetto note perfectly and just hit a run with it like it's nothing. Like it's nothing. Like it's simple as talking. And I don't understand. And it sounds so good and it's so flawless. I wanted to stop that last segment of it just playing about 10 different times because it sounds so good and I wanted to hear it over again. But wow, man. Wow, that sounds great.
What you say? I can make it through the rain. I can stand up once again on my own, and I know that I'm strong enough to mend. And every time I feel afraid, I hold tight to
Did y'all hear how she went low and went instantly back up? And it wasn't even low. It's like she went into her, I don't know, because people say you have a throat voice, a chest voice, and a nasal voice. I don't know what voice it was, but whatever voice she hit, she need to hear it again. But whatever voice it was, Katrina, wow, she hit it. She went to, I would say, her regular voice, and then just instantly, it's like a roller coaster. She went down, whoop, But it's a smooth roller. You know, you got some bumper roller coasters. You going down a roller coaster, you hit you. You know what I mean? No, it was very smooth, very smooth.
Every time I feel afraid, I hold tight to faith, and I live one more day, and I make it through the rain. And if you keep falling down, don't you dare give in. You will arrive safe and sound.
Hit that safe for me. Katrina. I need to hit that safe for me one more time.
Don't you dare give in. You will arrive safe and sound. So keep pressing on steadfastly, and you'll find what you need to prevail. What you say, I can make it through the rain. I can stand up once again.
I need it. 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 I'm here for it. Katrina, you got me on the right day, man. You got me on the right day because I'm here for all of it. I'm here for all of it. I want to hear all the falsettos, all the runs. When you gotta lean back and it just sounds so great. It sounds so great, so flawless. There's nothing I would change. Honestly, there's nothing I would change about this so far.
What you say, I can make it through the rain. I can stand up once again on my own, and I know that I'm strong enough to make. And every time I feel afraid, I hold tight to my faith, and I live one more day, and I make it through the rain. And when the wind blows and shadows grow close, don't be afraid. There's nothing you can't face. And
The emphasis on the face, the emphasis on the face, and I'm here for it. You can feel, like I said, live songs, actual singing, no auto tune, no machines. You could feel the song a lot more, and you could feel like. Tell me if you were down, and Katrina, I hope going what you're going through, I hope that you actually listen to this song yourself because you are strong enough to get through what you're going through. You're strong enough to stand up and get through this rain. You know what I mean? But you could feel strength through this song. If you're going through a tough time, listen to this song while you're going through a tough time. I'm telling you, I'm feeling it right now, and I'm up. I'm good. I'm happy. I'm enjoying myself, but I could just only imagine me down and listen to it. It gives you encouragement. It makes you hold your head up high. You're strong enough to get through it. Tomorrow will be a new day. I'm telling you, just listen to it. Just listen to this song, man. You could feel the strength of the song.
don't be afraid. There's nothing you can't face. And should they tell you you never pull through, don't
The voice break? I wasn't expecting the voice break. That's smooth. That's smooth.
You're gonna make it through.
That's actually a very, very beautiful song. Katrina, I hope you're listening to something similar to this. As I stated earlier, you're gonna be able to make it through this. I know what you're going through is tough. Like I said in the beginning, my heart goes out to you. And you're not that much older than me, so I can only imagine what it's like to lose a loved one of that magnitude at wow. But beautiful song, great vocals. I'm here for all of it. I would love to go to a concert. After a Katrina concert, I just feel like the vocals are there. Invite me on stage. I'm here. I'm here. Um, but no, in all seriousness, though, great vocals, great runs, great falsettos. Everything was on point. I didn't expect the voice break at the end, but that was a pleasant surprise. That was a pleasant surprise. It started. I don't know if I'm catching a cold. I just know it's starting to get cold. My nose is starting to itch a little bit. But anyway, I'm gonna end the video right here. That's gonna be it for my reaction video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll be back with you guys next time. I'm out.